Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. I had to leave the lesson because I had forgotten that we had a Harry Potter Kahoot going on. And so this thing timed out on me while we were playing Kahoot. And just to share with you, congratulations, Brock won first place for Ravenclaw. Dylan was second for Gryffindor, and Justin was third for Ravenclaw. So Brock got 5 points, Dylan got 4, and Justin got 3 for their houses. Nice job, you guys. And if you haven't tried the Kahoots, you got to join us. We're playing them just about every day at 1 p.m. and they're quick, 5 minutes and you're done. Okay, back to our lesson. We'll finish off. We've got 4 examples to go through here. And our first one is what volume? So we're looking for volume. Still slow. Of a 0.25 molar. That capital M means moles per liter. Okay, so what volume of a 0.25 mole per liter salt solution in a laboratory contains 0.1 moles of sodium chloride? So we're looking for volume, and in this case, we'll go after the liters. It doesn't need to be milliliters on this one because capital M is moles per liter, so we'll solve in liters. So volume in liters. So that means I'm going to take this ratio and flip it because you always want to put the unit you're looking for on top. 0.25 moles on the bottom, liters on top. So to get my answer, I just need to get rid of this moles, and there's how I do it. 0.10 moles. And now I can cancel out my moles, and I am left with liters, and then the math would be 0.10 divided by 0.25, 2 sig digs, and the correct answer is 0.40 liters. Okay, awesome. Moving on. Next one. Chemical analysis requires 2 liters of 0.15 mole per liter AgNO3. 2 liters, 0.15 mole per liter. So I can already see that I'll be able to cancel out those liters and be left with moles. The question is asking me for mass of solid silver nitrate. Oh, okay. So I can get moles, but I need mass. How do I turn moles into mass? Right, molar mass of silver nitrate. So capital M in front of a formula means molar mass. Correct formula for silver nitrate, Ag is a 1 plus, NO3 is a 1 minus. So you go searching on your periodic table and you add up 1 silver, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygen, and you get 169.88 grams per mole. Okay, so that's going to give me all of my units. So we are looking for mass. So I will start this off. Mass of AgNO3 in grams. So there is what I'm looking for. There's my grams. So that's what I'll start with, the molar mass, 169.88 grams per mole. Okay, I've got my grams. Let's get rid of the moles. I can get rid of the moles right there. 0.150 moles. That is just, too messy. 0.150 moles per liter. Okay, moles are gone. Now the problem is I still have this liters to deal with, but there's my liters to cancel it out. Do I put it on top or bottom? Top. Liters cancels out. All my units cancel out. I'm left with grams. 169.88 times 0.150 times 2 over 1. And you get 51. Well, actually, the real answer is 50.964 grams. And I'm only allowed 3 sig digs, so that's where the 51.0 grams comes into play. Okay, awesome. What do we got left here? 2 more, and I'm just going to do one of them because they're all sort of following the same pattern here. So I'm going to skip this one. You can try this on your own. Aluminum sulfate. There's the answer. It'll be good practice. And we're going to go to this last one. Oh, whoa. Okay. So Hermione dissolves 5 grams of solid sodium carbonate to make 250 milliliters. So she's got 5 grams, 250 milliliter solution to study the properties. What is the amount concentration? So amount concentration is moles per liter, capital C for a symbol. So we're looking for moles per liter. Okay, I have grams and I have milliliters. That can be converted to liters. Divide by 1,000. Okay, so there's my liters. So let's start with that one. I'm putting liters where I want it. So there it is on the bottom. I need to get moles on top. And how do I get moles? I don't have it. All I have is mass. Right, molar mass of sodium carbonate. Sodium's a 1 plus, carbonate is a 2 minus, so that's 2 of those. Okay, 2 sodiums, 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen. Molar mass is 105.99 grams per mole. Okay, so when I go to use this unit, am I putting it the way it is or flipping it? So I want moles on top, so I have to flip it. Moles on top, 105.99 grams. Okay, so now I have moles per liter, but I also have this grams, which I don't want, so I need to get rid of it. Easily done. There's my 5 grams. Put it on top. The grams cancel out. All my units work. I will now get moles per liter, and my final answer will be 5 on top divided by 0.25 times 105.99 on the bottom, which works out to 0.1886. And we're allowed 3 sig digs, so that becomes 0.189. And I can also write a capital M, which is the same as moles per liter. Okay, we're done. Woohoo! And practice this. I will give you the answers to these so that you can figure them out. You got a quiz coming up on Friday on this stuff. So you got to have practice, get it dialed in, and email me if you have any questions. And keep playing the Harry Potter game. Have some fun with that. Okay, take care, everybody, and go Slytherin.